when I saw that big list of certificate, now I'm under pressure to go back to that online and actually go through some of those things properly. I'm like, I don't deserve
I
these
was
many if
going
I
to
have not done
ask
it well.
that. Yeah,
Yeah,
I was
I
going
have
to
not done
ask
it
yeah,
well.
that.
I don't deserve it.
you're
Types.
not wrong. Me too.
So for me, it's not a linear thing for me. So I'm not sure I can explain it. Um, so, my recording was the first coaching session itself got recorded, right? And after that, of course, it didn't go well. So I think for me, putting myself in the box of 1 hour is a difficult thing, and that's where, and you have to tick all the parameters, and that's where I did that. But for me, through that and through the way you handled the whole feedback, especially those feedback precise and watching everyone, one of the biggest gifts for me has been confidence as a coach. Um, you know, in the first session I did exactly what I do otherwise. You know, उसके बाद पूरा नाटक शुरू हुआ था मेरा. So for me, I think that is very important. And I think now when I was thinking, when others were talking, I was thinking what precisely what do I tell? Is the outcome for me through that confidence is that when I took PCC under you, I was like, yes, of course I knew that you mapped in terms of my process of thinking. Yet I did my first level of certification ICF in 2015. It took me 10 years to go to the next level simply because I hated ICF concept, you know. And I was like, what nonsense. मेरे को नहीं करनी है. And I joined PCC just because the corporates wanted. But I'm very happy I did it. Not for the corporates, for myself. So I think that's something, it's not a linear explanation that I can give. Um,
So what's
because
the difference
now I because now what I've
when
realized, what I've realized now is it is very subtle. If I do hindsight thinking, I'm getting the answer, but my change has not been like drastic focus, but now I'm a lot more focused on coaching as a business. Um, so much so that earlier, if I had to even do pro bonos, I would think twice. अभी मेरे पास 80 लोग के pro bono हो जाएंगे मुझे पता है. Already people have started because I have opened up to it, which was not there before. So I think it's a very subtle level of confidence which will happen one day at a time. And thank you so much for it. Thank you so much. And another bonus I think is Archu, Nina, you, and Manjulata. I've got a circle. I don't know. Somewhere I have a lot of trust in this circle that I'm going to reach out to you later, which I don't think I can say for a lot of circles. So yeah. So that's where I'm really thankful to you. Thank you so much. So I think the biggest feedback or a compliment then in that case, I'm sure others will also resonate with that, would be you made it easy for us. So I think honestly, I didn't find it a rocket science. It's just a matter of having confidence and taking it forward.
Yeah.
So you made it sound very easy in that sense. And I forgot now that you said something triggered. Yeah. Something triggered was that at a coaching perspective, yes, but from a personal level too, I won't use the word transformation because for me, that's a lifelong process. I don't think it'll ever happen to me in this lifetime. But personally, also the shift that happened to me in terms of dealing with narcissistic people, uh, knowing the right steps to do, uh, the last 2 months has been immensely helpful. Though all this time I knew that's a thing to do, but I just couldn't figure it out. But through the discussion with you, you just nailed it, and that's really helpful. Thanks a lot. Yeah.